progress on the garage. After sorting everything out, I started moving our racks that are going to be in the middle of our garage to hold a bunch of storage containers. And for now, I'm just temporarily putting each one of these piles into a storage container that'll go up on the racks out of the way so we can park the car again. And then when we get our cabinets in, I'll start taking some of the items from the storage bins and moving them into the cabinets. But this way it'll just free up all of our space, get everything vertical, and that way we can also start preparing this wall for cabinets. So, almost done. Fit if it wasn't on the pallet.
Yeah.
So we have cabinets that are inside cabinets, so they wouldn't fit through the garage because if they're on a pallet, they're too tall. So now we have to dismantle these boxes, take apart all the cabinets, and move the cabinets into here. So, but at least he was able to get it up within inches of our garage, so that was helpful. All right, well, this is where we're at now. We went from having an empty, clean garage to having a garage full of stuff that I guess I have to install now. Should be fun.